and classmates. This is my assignment for science. Okay, let's do this. First, I'm going to make 4 homogeneous mixture. I have here a powdered milk and a water. I'm going to put a little bit of milk to the water. As you can see, it's in uniform. It's all white. So next, I have different types of chips here. So we will open them all and mix it up. So you can see that it is not uniform look. This is called the